Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to limit the visibility of your workspace boards on the Trello application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select the kind of workspace board that you would like to work with. Then tap on the icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then again tap on the same icon. Scroll down till you find the visibility button and click on it. Here you can restrict the visibility and the accessibility of your board. You can set it to private, so it's only seen by the people invited to the board, or you can limit it to the workspace members, or you can even set it to public. So all you need to do if you would like to change the visibility is to click on the relevant one, and then the visibility has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.